Hey there, Fudulu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Japanese knives, uncovering the top 5 must-have blades that will elevate your culinary skills to a whole new level. Let's get started. Number 1. Yanagiba Knife. First up, we have the Yanagiba Knife. Known as the sword blade, this knife is a true work of art in Japanese cuisine. Its long, narrow blade is designed for precise slicing, making it the go-to choice for sashimi and sushi preparation. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Yanagiba knife brings slicing perfection to your kitchen. The long, single-edged blade minimizes surface tension, ensuring clean cuts with minimal damage to delicate ingredients. If you're passionate about mastering Japanese culinary techniques, the Yanagiba is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. Number 2. Santoka Knife. Next on our list is the Santoku Knife, a true kitchen essential. Santoku translates to 3 virtues, representing its versatility in slicing, dicing, and chopping. This all-purpose knife has a shorter and wider blade compared to the Yanagiba, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're preparing vegetables, meat, or fish, the Santoku's design ensures efficiency and precision. It's like having 3 knives in one, making it an ideal choice for everyday cooking. Number 3. Deba Knife. Now let's talk about the Deba Knife, a unique blade designed for the art of Japanese fish butchery. Its thick, heavy blade is perfect for breaking down fish, from filleting to deboning. The Deba knife is a must for anyone looking to master the delicate craft of preparing fish in the traditional Japanese style. The Deba knife's single-edged blade and pointed tip give you complete control, ensuring you can navigate through the intricate process of fish preparation with ease. Number 4. Nekiri Knife. Moving on to the nekiri knife, a vegetable lover's dream. With its straight, double-edged blade and squared-off tip, the nekiri excels in precision vegetable prep. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to nimble precision in the kitchen. Whether you're julienning, dicing, or slicing, the nekiri knife's design minimizes friction and drag, making it a fantastic choice for all your vegetable-centric dishes. Number 5. Judo Knife. Last but certainly not least, we have the Gyuto knife, often referred to as the Japanese chef's knife. This multi-purpose blade combines elements of the Western chef's knife and the traditional Japanese design, creating a versatile and powerful tool for everyday cooking. From chopping and slicing to dicing and mincing, the Gyuto knife is your go-to companion for a wide range of culinary adventures. Its balance, sharpness, and maneuverability make it an excellent choice for all chefs, whether you're a professional or a home cook. There you have it, folks, the top 5 must-have Japanese knives for your kitchen. Each knife brings its own unique qualities and strengths, allowing you to elevate your cooking skills and bring the art of Japanese cuisine right to your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more culinary content. Happy cooking!